Very good, huh? You know, being Malaysian, there's a lot of things we must be very proud of ourselves, you know? Like what is our national flower, the hibiscus? What is our national pride and joy? The Petronas Twin Tower. Who is Malaysia Formula 1 driver? KL taxi driver. Serious. Correct or not? You got take taxi or not? No, or are you the same as the taxi driver also? Ayo, I tell you, if you all been to KL, you take the taxi, you can get heart attack, you know? But talking about taxi driver, let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, in KL, there was this taxi driver. He picked up a Japanese tourist. They were going from Concord Hotel to KLIA. So they were driving along the highway. Suddenly a car passed by. Japanese tourists look out the window. Wow, Toyota, very good, very fast, made in Japan. Then they drive again. Another car passed by. Japanese tourists look out the window. Wow, Honda, very good, very fast, made in Japan. And then they drive again. Another car passed by. Japanese tourists look out the window. Wow, Mitsubishi, very fast, very good, made in Japan. Then they reach KLIA. Japanese tourists ask the taxi driver, how much? Taxi driver say 100 ringgit. Japanese tourists terkejut, why so expensive? Taxi driver say, meter, very good, very fast, made in Malaysia.